Hello ma'am, hello sir, good morning. I am Mercelita Villaaban. I'm from Philippines. I live in Malasin, Burgos, Isabela. I am 41 years old. I am married. I was born on March 19, 1983. I have two children, one son, he's 16 years old, and one daughter, she's 23 years old. I am high school graduate. I have 5 siblings and I am the youngest in the family. It is my first time to work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong, but I have experience as a household worker in Saudi Arabia and Taiwan. I work in Saudi Arabia since 2014 until 2016. My duty in Saudi Arabia is to take care of 3 babies. Their ages are 7 years old, 9 years old, and 12 years old. There are 5 members in the family, including the husband and the wife. I do also manage household chores, such as cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and cooking. The reason why I'm living in Saudi Arabia, I already finished my contract. Then I work in Taiwan 2017 until 2023. My work in Taiwan is to take care of elderly, is a bedridden and paralyzed. There are 8 members in the family, 2 elderly, 4 adults, and 2 children. The children ages are 11 years old and 13 years old. I do also manage household chores such as cleaning the house, cooking, ironing the clothes, and to take care of the patient. I also change diaper and I feed the patient. The reason why I'm living in Taiwan, I already finished my contract. To my future employer, Sir Ma'am, I hope you will give me a chance as your household worker in your family. I am trustworthy, loyal, patient, and hardworking. I promise to do my best to do my work very well and to follow your instruction. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.